In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Family Features pop-ups on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're seeing constant pop-ups telling you to sign in to Microsoft Family, or asking for permission to use apps or browse the web, it usually means your account is part of a Microsoft Family group, or Windows thinks it is. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key places you need to check and the changes you can make to stop those notifications from appearing. First, let's confirm whether your account is actually in a family group. Open a web browser and go to the Microsoft account page, then sign in with the same account you use on your computer. Once you're in, look for the Family section. If you see yourself listed as a child or a member of a family group, that's what's triggering the family features. If you don't recognize the organizer or you no longer want to be part of that group, choose the option to leave the family. If you're the organizer, you can also remove other accounts or dissolve the group entirely. Give it a moment, then restart your computer to see if the pop-ups stop. Next, let's check your Windows account settings. On your PC, open Settings, then go to Accounts, and then to the section for Family and Other Users. Here, make sure your main account is listed correctly, ideally as an administrator and not as a child account. If you see any old or test accounts that are linked to family features, you can remove them from this page. After cleaning this up, sign out of Windows, sign back in, and see if the prompts are gone. Sometimes the issue is that Windows is still trying to use an old or secondary Microsoft account. Still in Settings, go to Accounts and then Email and Accounts. If you see unused Microsoft accounts listed under accounts used by other apps, remove the ones you no longer use. This helps Windows stop trying to apply family settings from accounts you've already moved away from. Finally, if the pop-ups continue, open the Microsoft Store. Click on your profile icon and make sure you're signed in with the correct account there as well. Mismatched accounts between Windows and the store can occasionally re-trigger family prompts. Once you've checked the online family group, cleaned up your Windows accounts, and confirmed the correct sign-in everywhere, those Microsoft Family Features pop-ups should stop interrupting you.